Good morning, everybody. I hope there's sound out there today. Test one, two. I want to remind everybody that we have an open house today. So if you get a chance to come into our trading room, please do check it out. Let us know what you think. All right, I'm going to open up the room now. There we go. Hey, good morning, everyone. There, I'll let you see me today. How's everybody doing? Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I want to thank everybody for being here. Absolutely appreciate it. Hey, Jim, Scott, Julie, good son, Tammy roasted. Jim, again. How's everybody doing? Okay. What do we have here? Google. We have Google up here. Google is doing great. I have Google up here because I still own some Google. I need to close it out because I'm running out of time with it, or roll it over is what I'm going to do. Probably do that. Got Yeah, we'll talk about Google a little bit later today. But right now, let's take a look at the market here. Okay. Hey, the SPY. How did we have sound over there? I want to make sure. Good morning. I hope we do over there on YouTube. Hey, remember that if you're watching on social media with YouTube, if you subscribe and hit that bell, and you'll be notified when there is a live show over there. So be very helpful for both you and me. Thank you, Ed. Appreciate it. All right, so let's take a look at the SPY here. SPY remains bullish. Just some simple rules, really simple actually. Price is above the T line. T line is above the trend indicator. Life is good. Bulls are there. You see those green dots? That tells us the bulls are in place. Means everything is lined up and we're still moving up. When that breaks down, it would be similar to this over here on the left. That would be, well, the bears are taking control right here. Bears taking control, but the bulls took it right back right through there. If we take a look at IWM, IWM's kind of it's in the middle. We need IWM bullishly. We need it to move up, and I think over 240.40 would do it. Anything lower here, and we may have to come down and visit that 200 period moving average there. If you take a look at the diamonds aren't doing too great. They really are not. The T line is not below the trend indicator yet. That's a plus, but price is below, and we're turning the dots red. So that's not good. That's not good at all. What am I missing here? Qs are leading the market. The Qs are the only reason the SPY is up, because the SPY is so overloaded with tech, but nevertheless, it's up. Qs are up. Price is above the T line. T line's above the trend indicator. Pretty simple, really is. Let's take a look at IYT. Not so good. Not so good. This is a downtrend. Let me get my little, this will work. So we've got the trend indicator on top, not good, red. We've got the T line below it and price below the T line, not good. Not helping the market at all. We have that downtrend. The 50 period moving average might help, but it's all about price, and price is not doing it right now. Let's look at SMH here. Not good. You can see the downtrend here. You can see we're flirting with the trend indicator there. Pretty much everything below it, though. T line's below it. Price is below it. Just not good. If we take a look at T21.23 at the close yesterday, not good. Not good. What I feel in the market, the market is kind of, I mean, there's definitely bullish pockets out there, and I think we should just trade very cautiously. If we take a look at something like this right here and here, let me put this over here and go grab this other one. There it is. This is just some of the spiders, and this top one, the spiders, they're bullish based on my bullish setup. Whoops, I have it backwards. Bearish on top. So the XLB is bearish. Here, let's go look at my bearish chart. There we go. So you can see that's down. XLE is bearish. Everything down. XLI, not good. We need XLI to really help us out. That's still bearish. XLR remains bearish. XLU remains bearish. XLV remains bearish. So on the bull side, we've already looked at the Qs. We've already looked at the SPY. Here's XLC. That's bullish. XLK, which is just a mirror of the Qs. That's bullish. And XLY, there we go. That's bullish. Get kind of a mixed bag on the old ETFs there. So want to watch that. What else have we got here? Here's a couple charts. EQT. This is a chart that we actually bought yesterday, and it's putting in an inside day today. Absolutely perfect to plan so far. Now we're looking for that to move higher. Right now, 47.80, and if we can clear that, I'm looking for 51.80 up here. SMCI, I've got this on my watch list today. I like what it's doing. Right now, we've got a low risk entry right here at the dotted deuce. I'm sorry, at the trend indicator right in here where the green dots are and the 50 period moving average. So I'm going to watch that for an entry. I would like to see a little bullishness before that happens, but I do see a low risk entry right now on that one. LRCX also looking good here. Rounded bottom breakout. We've rallied up. We're just putting in some consolidation now. Target would be the dotted deuce up here and the 200 period moving average. Everyone here that in the trading room that doesn't know what the dotted deuce is, we'll explain that today for those that might be here for the open house. I'll make sure that I get that explained for you. Amazon, it still looks bullish. It's still cruising. As long as we can stay above the T-line, the momentum is there. And as long as the momentum is there, it's still very, very tradable. If we break down below the T-line, doesn't mean it's going to be bearish. It just needs to set up again before it can go higher. Let's see, ARKA. That's looking pretty good here. Look at that. Nice little J-hook setting up into the $80 area. Looks pretty nice. All right. Any stocks from you guys out there on YouTube pointing out? And how about here in the room? Jim, you got filled on your CL late, but you got filled. Yeah, this is one that we took short yesterday. And Jim was just sharing that he got filled on that. So we're short some CL. See how that works out today. Here's the bear chart that I would be looking at right there. There's my, go back to my bullish chart. So let's take a look at PLTR. PLTR is still moving up by the numbers. I mean, price is above the T-line. T-line is above the trend indicator. Everything looks good. We just need to get past that nasty bearish engulf there. So quite simply, you need to see more bears or more bulls right in here. For me, I don't think I would want to be in it personally, but I would sure watch it for when those bulls step in. So that's just me. But if it could certainly be bought with a stop on that, Joseph or Comer, I guess. Let's take a look at NIO. NIO needs to get bullish unless you're bearish on it. I don't know what you're looking at. But so far, I don't see a bullish sign on it. It popped up, pulled back here. We need to see those bulls step in, I would say. And right now, I think above 480, maybe. 480 might sound good to me. How about some MKC? There we go. That's a nice chart. Let's flag that one. Boom. So MKC here, bouncing right off that 200 period moving average, rallied up, cleared that 50. Now we're testing in here. So something like that right in there. Nice buy on a nice, let's change this. Let's just put this up here like this. Nice little buy box right in there. That's a nice chart. Thank you for that one. We got that flag. Keep that on the watch list. GEV. Take a look at GEV. Nice trend. I suspect we ought to maybe put that on there, right? I think that would be a good idea. A breakout, that would put GE in the, that would put it on the in the kettle, wouldn't it? I mean, that would be nice. That'd be a great trade there. SYF, take a look at that. That's another bullish chart. That's a buy right now, actually. A bullish chart here, so looking good. TPR. TPR looking really good. This is one I looked at yesterday a couple times, and I would say over 63, 65 here. Get over that area. I think that might set that off pretty good. SQ, just sideways. That's all it is. Bullish. Definitely bullish, but just moving sideways. Nice little pop out of the box setting up. It can be bought inside the box or wait for that pop right there. But I believe it's setting up very, very nice. I was looking at that yesterday a couple of times myself. PY. Everybody's going after the winners here. Following the winners. The winners are there. PYP, PayPal, that is still bullish. It's just a matter of getting up through that ugly candle right there. But right now, inside day, that's a pretty good risk reward trade right in here. I love inside days, bullish days, and then rest. If you like it on this bullish day, you should like it better on the next day because you get it at a better price. Let's see some up. What is that? Upwork. It's so small. I can't see it. Upwork. Let's see if we can get follow through on that. Yeah, it looks like it's going to open up right in there. If that breaks out, that could rock and roll. Yeah, let's flag that one. Thank you. Sophie. Yeah, all the charts that everyone that's working. Right? These are nice. Sophie, looking good. Low risk entry right here. And if we can open up in this area, that would be a buy this morning. TZA looking bullish. It's trying. Let's look at IWM again. See, IWM's not looking so good. So, yeah, TZA might be trying to step up here a little bullish. So, be a little careful with this overall market. I think we're kind of, I don't know, it's an odd market. It really is right now. You've got a lot of you've got some pockets of bullishness, and the sellers outnumber the buyers. I can tell you that. Where is it here? I've got a scan up here that I can read, and it says to me that if we're just looking at the 3 and the 8 for momentum up or down, 350 stocks meet the bearish off the SPY S&P 500, and 153 meet the bullish criteria. So the bears outnumber the bulls. It just the bigger stocks are winning right now. So TPL short. Yes, I'm going to flag that one. Thank you. Nice short. Blue ice failure setting up here. We'd love to see this pop up just a little bit. That would make a good entry, and then short down to that 200 period moving average. Let's see, PR. What is that? PRGS? PRGS. I would suspect we need a breakout of 96.90 right there. Nice consolidation so far, but I would suspect that. See how this has see how we rallied up, and now we're just kind of boxing out right there. So I think if we get that breakout, and that's all an entry in here too, because you've got your built-in stop right here, and then a breakout would get you in the money. Not a bad chart at all. What is this? PRGS, SSNC. Bullish if it can hold here. It'd be a buy if it can hold here, actually. I'm going to flag that one. Thank you. Nice chart. GAMB. So, Sam, you're going to have to tell me what you want to do with this. I think everybody in the world is going to call it bullish, but you have to be a little more specific on what you want on a big gap. Okay. Let me check over here on the YouTube side. Anybody have SSYS trending? If you own it, stay there. And you guys in YouTube, you know that we have an open house here at Hit Run Candlesticks today. So If you go to my I did what is it? A video last night. Go check that video, and at the bottom, the link. In fact, the bottom of this one should have the link as well to log in to the room. Anyway, bullish. If you're in it, I would stay in it. You know, you're gonna hit a little bit of a speed bump right there. That's just natural, but it's looking pretty good. One thing I like about this on the weekly, it's getting very, very close to a rounded bottom breakout. The 50s the prices over the 50. The T line is not, and that's what I need. I'm going to flag this because of the weekly chart, and once we get in there on the weekly, then this could work out really well. I like that one. Thank you. DXCM here. That's not DXCM. There we go. DXCM. We've talked about this quite a bit in the trading room. Rounded bottom breakout, bullish. First target up here at 83.40, and then we're going to look at 99 or $100 up here on that. So DXCM is rocking. Looks really good. Can I access the room through your website today? Yeah. Here, just a sec. Let me get a link for you here. One sec. Don't leave. I've got to find a link. Here it is. Nope. Open house right here. Copy link. I'm going to put this in there. There you go. I think. There it is. So that'll get you there. You have to register, and it'll send you an email. Here, Ed put one out there too. I don't know if it's different, but I'll copy link. Put it over here. There we go. All right. So where were we? Let's see. Looking at Misty, MSTY. Misty, trending. Yeah, trending. Kind of bouncing up. Certainly buyable in this area. And then on that breakout, you want to make sure this breaks out. You've got a possible head and shoulders developed here. So I want to make sure that actually breaks out and stays, okay? That would be important. Let's see. I think we did all those. All right. Anybody else over here? DJT. Yeah, that's looking like it's about to pop out right in there, doesn't it? That puts the next target back up into this area. That might be a nice trade for some folks. BA. Yeah, BA. I'm planning on buying Boeing. I'm going to buy it in a longer term. I'm going to buy leaps on it. It's not going to be a tradable chart for me. I'm going to buy it long term, but I am going to do that. And I'd like to see a little pullback, but that's what I'm going to do. UAL. There we go. UAL still trending. A little bit concerned. So we've got this wick over here, and then we've got this wick over here, and then we have a down move, and we actually have a bear flag going on right now. So, I mean, I want to see proof that the bulls can actually get this going. And one thing I've got to ask myself is, if I buy it right here, is it worth the 5.5% I'm going to make back up to this top? So perhaps we wait till it actually clears that top, and then, or at least give it, maybe to the end of the day to see if it can put a bullish candle in there. But this is a warning sign. That's a warning sign. This is a warning sign here too. So I'd be a little careful right now on United Airlines. Just be patient. I don't think it's worth 5% to fuss with it right now. So yeah, be careful with that one. Let's see, did I miss any here? I don't think so. Anything over here? Oh, hey, Sean. HIBS, what time is it? Oh, we still have a little time. HIBS, inverse high, beta looking bullish. Yeah, that might be trying to move up. Got a nice little bottom here. We've got a based on pre-market, which it won't look like this when the market opens. We've got a Fig Newton candle pattern here. For me, it's going to have to turn those dots green. Oh, I don't even see one over here, really. It's going to have to turn those dots green. But right now, that is a pretty good candle pattern in here. So we'll watch that. If that starts moving up, it may not be great for the market here. Like I said, we're going to have to, I'm writing that ticker down. We're going to really be careful today because the market's, I don't know, it's acting funny. I'm going to be watching this T2123 here. And if it doesn't pull itself up, we could have a real problem out there. Now, I heard some things yesterday, Tom Lee, and I listen to Tom Lee. I like him a lot. He's talking about 7,000 on the S&P. And, it could absolutely happen. But you know what could happen first? We could have a little nastiness first, bounce around before it goes up there. I mean, if it can go up there. So it's not all about what somebody said. There's a target. Follow the chart. Follow the rules. Okay. Some very simple rules. We'll talk about these today too, but we'll be talking about that. But there's just some very simple rules to trade with, and it's all right here in the chart and very easy to do. So we'll be talking about those in the room today. All right, I'm gonna I'm gonna do two more. I just noticed over here. DG long, yeah. It's in that rounded bottom breakout now, so it's long, but where's the bullishness? That's what we're going to see. I don't believe that's a buy right now. What I would like to look at that buy would be over about 82.50. If we can do that, that would show the bulls are still around. Okay. And Bob, you're looking at GSK, and that'll be the last one today, and then I'm going to run. GSK short, yes. Yeah. I'm going to go to my short chart. Yeah, GSK would be short right now. So there you go. Nice one. I think I'll flag that one too. Appreciate it, Bob. All right. Just a reminder out there on social media, we do have an open house here in Hit and Run Candlesticks. You're more than welcome to come over all day today. Sean is asking, you think Trump will descend? I don't know. Yeah. All right, you guys take care. We'll see you out there. I'm going to end everything, and then I'll be back at the bottom of the hour when the market opens up. Okay. Thanks, everybody. You guys take care.